Jackson County legislator Manny Abarca is making his first court appearance after facing charges on both sides of the state line. I'm Laura Moritz.
And I'm Kelly Eckerman. Abarca appeared in Johnson County, Kansas court where he faces 1 count of domestic battery.
KMBC 9's Krista Tatchell was in the courtroom as he appeared before a judge. She joins us live from Olathe. Krista.
Laura, Abarca appeared with his 2 attorneys to enter a not guilty plea to that domestic battery charge. He was holding a Billy Graham devotional Bible. Some of his relatives were there, including his parents, to lend support. But the person missing, of course, was his wife, Alexis Garcia. Now, he is facing a charge in Jackson County that she filed. He's facing a charge of violating a protection order, and she filed that last Friday. Have you seen the kids at all, Manny?
Unfortunately not.
According to Johnson County court documents, last Thursday, an alleged incident of domestic violence occurred between Abarca and Garcia. The next day, May 30th, Abarca is served with a protection order from Jackson County. That weekend, Garcia posts on Facebook she hasn't seen her son in over 3 days, and she files a missing persons report with Shawnee Police. And just hours after that, Abarca released a statement saying that he wasn't missing, his son is not missing, and that was filed in error. Yesterday, Abarca was arrested and charged in Johnson County, Kansas, with 1 count of domestic battery, for which he made that appearance today. He has posted a $1,500 bond. Now, today, Abarca didn't comment, but his attorneys did. They say Abarca is the one who feared for the safety of his children, and he is looking forward to telling his side of the story in court.
There was an incident in which his wife attempted to take the child under circumstances that he thought were dangerous. And we are going to show all of that in court, and we want for everybody to give these people some peace, some privacy, and let the courts resolve all the situations.
Abarca's attorney also said the couple may be heading toward divorce proceedings. They have been married 3.5 years. The children are in the custody of their mother at this time. We have reached out to Abarca's wife for comment, but haven't heard back at this time. Now, Abarca did say, as he was leaving the media, he said, "I will be there Monday." He was talking about the budget that Jackson County legislature will be meeting on Monday, hearing public comment about the budget. So he said that he will be present there for this meeting. Now, his next appearance for Johnson County Court, he will appear on Zoom on July 9th. And that's what we have this morning about Manny's first appearance here in Johnson County. We're live in Olathe. Krista Tatchell, KMBC 9 News.
All right, Krista, thank you. Abarca has an adult abuse hearing in Jackson County next Monday. He will be arraigned in July on charges he violated the protection order, as Krista mentioned. KMBC 9 will continue tracking both of these cases. Updates will be brought to you on air, online, and on our app.